guys, here I am again with another just amazing visual of Norwex fun stuff. Okay, so this is my kitchen, breakfast, living room area. I estimate about 700-800 square feet of flooring, and just for fun I decided I'm going to do a little comparison. So you can sort of see there's my three piles of dirt from sweeping with my, you know, normal little broom, right? And you can also see, you can see it too. Under the couch, you see that dust that you just don't really get to with the broom? Gross. So this took me almost 7 minutes to come up with these piles of dirt. I still have to put them in and stuff. So let's just say 8, 9, 10 minutes to kind of get this far. And then as you guys know, what happens with this is that, you know, as you're sweeping, you know, it's just like flying everywhere, right? And you're not like, look at it, just flying everywhere. So it's not super efficient. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this stuff up, and then I'm going to do another video with my Norwex stuff to see how much more crap we get, and then I'll post them side by side, and also I'll time it as well. Okay, cool.